Today my people will make the Galaxy S24 frameless normal version. It is now on sale in France for 849 euros. This is the device used here for some discounted prices. Obviously one of them is that if we pre-order it will be a little cheaper. We also have it. Chances to buy at the same price, twice as much storage. If I'm not mistaken, this is the purple version. Let's see if we see it here. He said SMS 921 BDS 8GB RAM 256GB cobalt violet storage. We do. Let's make a box. Let's have no frames on the peninsula. This year 30 years old, we want to, if they realize, we have a manual, we have wires inside. Things are getting less and less. As we've seen, the cable Y is the cable. The video of the S24 Plus is the C-type cable. And you can see that the C-type AC is the cable that Samsung is bringing us now. For those who don't know, at least in Europe, we can have it. We can get the Galaxy Watch 6 for free if you buy your phone from a Samsung store or a store called Kibulaje, which is also known for selling tech devices. This is the front desk. The purple that we see in the conference hall doesn't look very purple. It looks more like blue and dark. I was wrong about the edge. I said it was titanium, but it wasn't titanium, just super version. The normal version of aluminum is a bit matte and looks a lot like it. In the titanium structure used by Apple, the camera system is the same system as 24 Plus, exactly the same system as last year. We have 50 megapixels, 24 megapixels, and 10 megapixels for zoom. Of course, so this is the front screen, 6.2105 flat screen with zinc port rating on top. We have headphones underneath and nothing on the side. Here we have the following power button and volume button. This is what brings us into 20 galaxies. This is the normal version. Let's simply start the phone and see what it brings us, or how to start it. Alright, so our phone is 66% battery activated, and in the next video I'll show you how to set up this phone from scratch, but we'll be using the iOS device as the old phone, as we're using here is the iPhone 15 Pro Match. Let's see what happens if we leave here. Make a brief comparison and see how Samsung's vehicles work with Apple's titanium blue. This is a remarkable difference. Apple has one feature, which is that when one moves the phone, it changes a little bit. The exam changes slightly, just like it clarifies, but in the end, it is still the blue we see on the screen now. Okay, thank my people for watching this video. If you like to share with me, please forget to subscribe to the app.